question for you. If you couldn't work tomorrow, no warning, no recovery time, would your mortgage still get paid? Your kids still go to the same school? Would your business continue running? If that feels scary, stay with me for the next few minutes. I'm Burton Langell, Burton Langell Insurance Services. Today we're going to tackle the most asked question. Do I really need disability insurance? Income replacement. Let's dive in. Most of us insure our cars, homes, even cell phones because we know accidents happen. But did you know that 1 in 4 working Canadians will face a disability lasting more than 90 days, with the average time being in excess of 3 years? This will happen before retirement. I've seen numbers from insurers saying that they've seen experience up to 40% of people having disability claims. 1 in 4 Canadians, 90-day disability. Imagine. That could be an injury, a serious illness, or mental health episode. And when you're off work, the bills don't stop, do they? It's kind of hard to call the bank and say you're sick. Most of us would be worried that they'd start calling loans. Let's do the math. Your employer's group plan may replace 60% of your salary. That's your gross salary, not your net salary. Even if you add workers' compensation or CPP Disability, you're still going to have a gap. Could be 40-50% of your net pay. And of course, workers' compensation is only for illness or accidents that are work-related, at your work mainly. And CPP is a very strict definition of disability, severe disability. Very difficult to get it. And it only is a maximum about $1,465 a month, depending on what year we're talking about. Group plans typically are pretty limited, maybe a maximum of $5,000, $6,000 a month of your gross salary. There's going to be a gap, so we can top it up. Now, some people, work for themselves. Maybe you are a freelancer, maybe you are an independent business person, you're a professional, so you don't have these benefits. And what happens if you have a $3,000 or $4,000 a month mortgage? You have a couple car leases, you have some credit card bills, you have other programs. Maybe your children are needing tutoring or they're going to a private school. You'll probably have to dig into your savings, if you have real savings, or worse, go into debt. And asking for a loan when you're disabled is pretty much mission impossible. It's not easy. So who really benefits the most? Well, business owners, freelancers. No sick leave, no employer top-up. High-earning professionals, lawyers, doctors, executives. Because every day, every dollar over that group cap is uninsured. Families rely on your income, your partner, your kids, your mortgage company. How does it work? A private disability policy fills the gap. If you have owner occupation coverage, it's can you do any of your main duties? So if you're a surgeon and you can't operate, even though you might be teaching, you might be consulting or whatever, you have quite a bit of other income and maybe you can move more into consulting, you're still going to get paid your full benefit if you can't do your surgery. That's an example. Or a lawyer, if you can't appear in a courtroom and that's a part of your job, then you're going to get paid your full benefit if you're disabled and your income had supported it. So you're covered if you can't do your job. Tax-free benefits, 65 to 75% of your net income. For extreme high earners, I can actually get this pretty much up to 90% using Lloyd's of London coverage over and above your other private disability insurance. There's always a way to solve a problem. That's what I do. I specialize in disability income coverage. I was in the insurance business for over 30 years, took a little retirement, got bored, I'm back again. Plus I have support staff available to me. And there are riders to keep your benefits current with the cost of living. And riders that will allow you to get more coverage as incomes go up without requiring any medicals or questionnaires. No proof of insurance. And yes, there's an upfront premium. All benefits have a cost, don't they? It's an investment. And that's why I'm here. For the cost of 1 or 2 coffees a day, you can have peace of mind. You can protect yourself and your family. It's not a big deal. And I will show you the most efficient way to do it. And I will do all the work in the background with the underwriters and that to get you the best offers and find the best insurer in Canada to solve this problem for you. So take Maria, a Halifax accountant. After a skiing accident, her group plan paid $4,000 a month. Her bills were $8,000 a month. What does she do? Her private DI topped up the rest so that she never missed a payment. No stress, no panic. She had it covered. This is important. And how important is it to you? That's the main question. Is it a problem you want to solve? Give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'm available to you. I'll take the time to work through this with you without any obligation. Now, I'll get you all the information you need, and I will do a thorough underwriting job so that you get the best coverage that is possible at the most efficient investment. So if you're wondering, do I really need disability insurance? The answer is, if your income matters to you, and most likely it's yes, isn't it? Click the link below, book your free, no obligation reward. Let's make sure that you're covered. So life's curveballs don't derail everything you've built. And this is very common. People in the 45 to 50, 55 have some event in their life where they lose a big part of their wealth. And usually it's through disability. So let's fix this problem. This is Burton Lanjo. I hope this has been helpful. And I will be doing additional videos relative to disability insurance. And you can find several videos on my channel here about disability coverage and how to solve the need to keep you safe from sickness or injury. Thank you for the time. Have a great day.